Hi, this is problem number 13 on centroid of plane figures. Okay, we have to find centroid of the shaded area. Okay, if you observe the symmetry, it is not symmetrical about both the axes. So you have to find both x bar and the y bar. Let me draw the reference axis first. This is the reference y axis and this is the reference x axis. Reference y axis and the reference x axis. So we have to find the area of shaded portion only to get the centroid or to look at the centroid of the shaded portion. Here, how to get the area of the shaded portion alone? So it is area of rectangle plus area of this right angle triangle minus area of semicircle minus area of quadrant of the circle will give area of the shaded portion. Okay. Now what I will do is I will call this total rectangle as component number 1. Total rectangle as component number 1, and I'll call this semicircle as component number 2. Okay, and I'll take right angle triangle as component number 3, and I'll take this quadrant of the circle as component number 4. Okay, so area of rectangle plus area of right angle triangle minus area of the quadrant of the circle minus area of the semicircle will give area of the shaded portion. Okay, now we will write the formula for all the components, x bar and y bar formula. So we will draw a dotted line here. So if G2 is the centroid of semicircle, always distance of centroid from the diameter is always equal to what? 4r by 3 pi. Distance of the centroid of the semicircle from its diameter is always 4r by 3 pi. From end points it is equal to radius. Okay. Then here if I take G3 as centroid of right angle triangle, see here distance is going from the line, so it is b by 3. Okay, it is going from the line, so distance is b by 3. And if you write y bar formula, the distance is going from the point, so it is 2/3, 2h by 3, 2/3 of h. 2/3 of h. Okay, the distance is going from the point, that is why 2/3. If it is going from the line, it is 1/3. Okay, then for this quadrant of the circle, if I take G4 as centroid from the center of the quadrant of the circle, 4r by 3 pi, and this distance is also 4r by 3 pi. Okay, now we will start doing the calculations. What is the first component? Total rectangle. Total rectangle area is b into d. What is width of rectangle? Width of rectangle is 6 plus 4, 10. Overall width is 10 mm. So at the top it is given, correct? 6 plus 4. And depth of rectangle is 6 plus 3, 9 millimeter. 9 millimeter is overall depth of rectangle. So 10 into 9, 90 mm square. X value is b by 2, 10 by 2, 5 mm. Y value is d by 2, 9 by 2, 4.5 mm. Okay. Then we will go for second component, that is semicircle. Semicircle 2. So you have to take negative sign because we have to deduct the area of the semicircle because it is unshaded portion. Minus pi r square by 2 minus pi into radius of the semicircle. Diameter is given, overall diameter, so radius becomes 2 mm. Overall diameter is 4 mm. So pi into 2 square by 2. Okay, minus 6.28. Then coming to the x value for semicircle, means distance of this G2 from the reference y axis. This is x value. It is directly equal to radius, or which is equal to 2 mm. Then y value for semicircle means distance of G2 from reference x axis, means distance from G2 to here. So this is the y value for semicircle. How you will find it? You know the overall depth. Overall depth is how much? 9 millimeter. In the overall depth 9, if you deduct 4r by 3 pi, you will get distance of G2 from x axis, which is the y value for semicircle. Okay. Therefore here write 9 minus 4r by 3 pi. 9 minus 4 into radius 2 by 3 pi. Answer 8.15, 1 millimeter. Then go for the next component, right angle triangle 3. Okay, half into base into height. Half into base is 3 mm, height is 6 mm. 3 into 6, 9 mm square. Then coming to the x value for right angle triangle, means distance of G3 from reference y axis, this distance. Okay, x value for right angle triangle, distance of G3 from reference y axis, it is 4 plus 6 or total 10 plus b by 3. 4 plus 6 plus b by 3. 10 plus b is 3 by 3, which gives 11 mm. Okay. Then coming to the y value for right angle triangle, means distance of G3 from reference x axis. So this distance, how much it will be? It will be 3 mm, 3 mm plus 2h by 3. 3 plus 2h by 3. 3 plus 2 into height of triangle is 6 mm by 3. The answer is 7 mm. Okay. Then the last component, quadrant of the circle 4. Quadrant of circle 4. So it is an unshaded portion. Take negative sign, minus pi r square by 4. 1/4 of area of the circle minus pi into radius of quadrant of the circle is 3 mm. 3 square by 4. The answer is minus 7.06. Okay. Coming to the x value for quadrant of the circle, means distance of G4, means distance of center of quadrant of the circle from reference y axis. Okay, means this is the x value. From here to here is the x value for quadrant of the circle. So you know the overall distance from here to this corner 10 mm. 10 minus 4r by 3 pi will give x value for quadrant of the circle. Okay, overall distance 10 minus 4r by 3 pi. So 10 minus 4r by 3 pi, which is equal to 10 minus 4 into radius 3 mm. by 3 pi. The answer is 8.72 millimeter, 8.72 millimeter. And coming to the y value for quadrant of the circle, means distance of G4 from reference x-axis, directly it is 4r by 3 pi. 4r by 3 pi. 4 into radius is 3 by 3 pi. The answer is 1.273. 1.273. Okay. Now we will find ax, ay. So here ax is equal to 450. Check your answers. Cross check the answers. 450, here it is 405. Then minus 12.56 minus 51.188. Then here 99. Then 63 minus 61.56 minus 8.98. Okay. Now we will calculate the total summations. Total area will be equal to 85.66. Then sigma ax is equal to 474.88, and sigma ay is equal to 407.83. Okay, therefore we know the formula. X bar is equal to sigma ax by sigma a, which is equal to 474.88 divided by 85.66, which gives the answer as 5.543 millimeter. And y bar is equal to sigma ay by sigma a, which is equal to 407.83 divided by 85.66, which is equal to 4.76 millimeter. Okay, so this completes the problem. So if you have any doubts in any of the steps, so you can post your doubt in the comment section. Okay, thank you.